Great. So I'll move through these pretty quickly. I'd like to finish off with just some of our experiences with implementing the tool and kind of moving forward with the development from the Lake Tahoe program. We started in 2018 with the launch of our inventory module. At this point last year, we just launched the trash module and had inventoried roughly 4,000 BMPs in our system. As of today, as Austin just showed, we've rolled out the modeling module and we've inventoried over 10,000 BMPs, 1,000 project sites, and we've got 20,000 acres managed in the system. Next slide. That being said, we have run into some difficulty because it is such a large and comprehensive tool. It's taken some extra effort to get some of our stakeholders on board and involved in the system. To help kind of ease that transition, we started off with training videos and templates and some webinars. And that did a good job of getting our early adopters on board. As mentioned earlier, we also received some good feedback about how our co-permittees preferred to interface with the system. And we've developed several or some spreadsheet functionality to bulk upload our BMP inventory or assessment records or maintenance records and things of that sort. And we've also developed some Power BI functionality or connections to kind of daylight our data and show the results of all of our hard work. Our biggest success story has been, or from an onboarding perspective, has been our intern project. We hired a team of interns to act as kind of super users and really get in and learn the intricacies of our land development program and OC Stormwater tools to help with that data migration process and get our inventory built out. Next slide. So to wrap up, I'd like to quickly touch on our future plans. Our current efforts are really based around finalizing this onboarding process and finishing that stakeholder adoption. As I mentioned, a lot of our inventory was populated using our intern staff. So we're hoping to get more city or permittee assistance using some of their jurisdictional knowledge to finalize our asset inventory. We're also hoping to implement kind of a regulator view to come in and show some of our data. Without granting full access to the system, we'd like to start showing off some of the results of our work. And similarly, we're gearing up to use this for our upcoming annual report for South Orange County. So we'd like to use our data to demonstrate compliance. And again, we want to start compiling documentation to show exactly what we've done and how we've done and pass that along to anyone else who would like to implement a similar program. Long term, we're looking at developing a planning module. We currently have a lot of good information on how things are working with our existing inventory. So we'd like to develop a way to test out some theoretical or hypothetical BMPs and see what that might do for our water quality. And with that, I'd like to pass it back to John to wrap things up.